Have you ever felt the weight of stress pulling you down? Ever wished for a moment of calm and balance in your chaotic day? Enter the world of Power Yoga, a dynamic practice blending strength, flexibility, and mindfulness. It's not just about breaking a sweat, it's about breaking free from the chains of stress, fostering resilience in the face of life's challenges. Today, we will explore the dynamics of Power Yoga and how it can help you find that much-needed balance in your life. Power Yoga is a blend of strength, flexibility, and mindfulness. Let's delve into some foundational poses. The mountain pose is a great place to start. Picture yourself standing tall and solid, just like a mountain. Your feet are firmly planted on the ground, creating a strong foundation. Your arms reach towards the sky, symbolizing your aspirations and dreams. As you stand in this pose, take a moment to tune into your breath. Each inhale brings fresh energy into your body, while each exhale allows you to let go of any tension or stress. This pose is a reminder of your strength and resilience, and the importance of grounding yourself in the present moment. As you continue to explore Power Yoga, remember that each pose, each breath, is an opportunity to release tension and stress. It's a journey of self-discovery and inner peace, one breath at a time. Remember, each breath is an opportunity to release tension and stress. Now, we step into a sequence designed specifically for stress relief. Let's delve into the rhythmic dance of Power Yoga, starting from the comfortable familiarity of downward facing dog. As you exhale, push your hips back and up, creating an inverted V with your body. Feel the stretch along your spine, allowing the tension to melt away. Next, as you breathe in, transition smoothly into plank pose. Keep your body in a straight line, from the crown of your head to your heels. Feel the strength in your core, your body's very center of power and balance. Finally, exhale and lower your body gently to the floor, transitioning into upward-facing dog. Press your palms into the mat, lift your chest, and tilt your head back slightly. Feel the front of your body opening up, welcoming in positivity and peace. Remember, each breath is an opportunity to release more stress, to sink deeper into the pose. Allow yourself to pause at any stage, feeling the stretch, the release of tension, the calmness washing over you. Your practice is your personal journey. Listen to your body and honor its needs. If a pose feels too challenging, modify it. If you need to rest, do so. There is no rush, no right or wrong, only what serves you best in this moment. Power Yoga isn't about perfection, but about presence. So stay connected, stay present, and most importantly, breathe. As you flow through this sequence, remember the strength within you, the resilience that carries you through life's storms. You are stronger than any stress that comes your way. As we wrap up, take a moment to express gratitude for yourself and for this opportunity to find calm and balance. Reflect on the strength and peace you've discovered within you through this Power Yoga practice. Remember, every breath you take, every pose you hold, contributes to your journey towards stress relief and tranquility. Carry this newfound sense of calm with you as you step off the mat and back into the hustle and bustle of your daily life. You've equipped yourself with a powerful tool to counteract stress, fostering resilience and equanimity. Remember, the challenges you face are not insurmountable. You have the strength and the inner peace to overcome them. Each time you return to your mat, you're nurturing these qualities, empowering yourself to navigate life's ups and downs with grace. Thank you for joining us today. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more Power Yoga and wellness videos. Until